Hi, I'm Lawrence Bernstein and I run Great Speechwriting, and for many years we've been helping grooms around the world write speeches for their weddings that are truly memorable and don't come across as a sort of shopping list of thank yous and lists of guests who have travelled a long way, that actually, although they're very well intended, can turn your groom speech into something that's really quite dull. Now, we're going to be creating a whole load of video content and blog pieces along with Panic Groom to make sure that you've got all the help you need. If you do want to get in touch with us right away, you can do so on the form on the side of the website, and you can speak to us immediately, particularly if you're in a short-term panic. But one bit of advice to take away to begin with: you've got to think about yourself as a member of the audience, as one of your guests on your wedding day, and imagine you're listening to the speech. When would the thank yous get too boring? When are you going into too much detail? How can you create something that's actually quite fun and upbeat and shows them that you really are in love, hopefully, with the person that you've just married, rather than just delighted to be surrounded by a lot of people for a party? So put yourself in the position of a member of your audience, and immediately you'll start to think about your speech in a more interesting way.